how to add AI pump token to MetaMask. So before going and add it, go and open their website. As you can see, you see here two types of token addresses, one under the base network and another one with the Solana network. Now for the MetaMask, the process it's different. Now the MetaMask, it's not supported Solana, so don't go and copy the token address that came under Solana and add it to MetaMask. You will not go and add it to MetaMask. You will the MetaMask is not supported Solana, and to be able to add it successfully, you need to copy the token address that came under the base network. Now copy the token address from here, go to MetaMask wallet. Now after that, go back to your wallet, as you can see, and select the base network, as you can see from here. Now after that, click on these three dots, click on import tokens, click on custom token, paste the token address here, and as you can see, this is our token. Just click on next, click on import, and if you scroll down, you will see it here. So this is our token added to our wallet. So this is how to add AI pump token to MetaMask. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.